Hi everyone, it's Philip here from Vet Education. I'm inviting you to join me on October the 19th at 7:30 in the evening Eastern Australian Daylight Time, that's Sydney time. We're going to talk about damage control surgery. It's a concept that's been around for a few years now, but it's not without some controversy. So we're going to dig a little deeper, find out what it is, when we could apply it, and if it's right for our canine and feline trauma patients. So join me October the 19th, 7:30 in the evening, Australian Eastern Daylight Time, and we'll talk some more. See you then.